what it's like to drive a hybrid Fusion in the snow. Right now we got a couple inches right now. You know, people driving slow. Right now the roads are pretty bad, slippery, you know what I'm saying? I'm going about the speed limit, which is 25 on it. If you do have a Fusion hybrid, I recommend that when you're on a stop, just let the electric motor kick in and do its thing. Don't press the gas pedal hard, because then the gas engine will kick in and it's gonna start spinning. Just let the electric motor do its job, kick in slowly, you save more gas that way anyways, and then after that just keep rolling through it and you're gonna have no problems getting stuck or slipping from a stop. I'm gonna show you guys right now in the red light. It's not an issue, you know what I'm saying? Hybrid's not that bad. Also, if you feel like slippage when you're pressing the brake, just pump on the brake. Don't hold the brake, because then you're gonna keep slipping. Pump the brake a little bit and it'll stop the slip, you know what I'm saying? The car's a really good car for the snow. Don't really have a lot of complaints. Obviously, the better tires you have, the better your car will perform with the snow. But this car, whatever tires I bought it with, I don't really know. They're not snow tires, they're regular tires. So, and they're not doing a bad job. I haven't got stuck yet. It's been snowing for a while. Other people have been getting stuck. I haven't. So it's not bad. So right now they're gonna let the electric motor do its thing. You can't hear the car, look, and then I just keep going from there. The car doesn't get stuck. Easy peasy. No problem. You know, it's snowing right now, so you don't need to go fast anyway. So it's not like you're trying to race to go to freaking 60 miles an hour. You know, right now I'm gonna turn right here, slow down a little bit. You know, you feel any slippage, press the brake, give the gas pedal a little bit. Takes the corners really, really good. You know, traction light will come on every now and then. Like right here, I'm slipping a little bit. Just pump the brakes a little bit, and it'll help you stop. This car coming right here, give some gas, let me go. See, like nothing, bro. You gotta learn your car. That's the way it goes. Look, right now the engine kicked in because I got the heat on, so it's in the kicks in every now and then. But as you can see, it's not that bad on snow. Right now I'm going 20 miles an hour. I'm heading to a stop sign. Slow down. The car has barely issues doing what it has to do. Stop right here. Let the electric motor do its thing, and then give it some gas, more gas, and then you're good to go. I'm already going back to 20 miles an hour, like nothing. This is a 2014 Fusion Hybrid, just in case you guys are wondering, and it's not bad at all, bro. Not at all. Super good on gas, and like I said, on the snow, it performs well compared to other cars I had. I had an SI, 10th gen SI, which is the turbo model. Then I had a Accord 2018 10th gen as well. And compared to those, this does really, really good. There's barely any spin at all. Those cars spin, even if you don't try it. This car, look, I can leave it on the electric motor, and then there's no spin. I'm literally taking the corner like nothing, and then just keep going after that. I'm already going to the speed limit, 25. And this is a front-wheel drive car too. It's like the Hondas that I had, the SI and the 10 gens. They have more power than this, but still, the electric motor helps a lot in these situations that I'm driving in the condition, you know. Like going 25, yellow light, red light. Slow down right here. Let this right turn in a second. Oh, people coming right now. Let me let them go first. And the visibility is amazing in this car. Really, really amazing. No complaints at all. So snowstorm is getting a little worse. So far I noticed that, like I said before, keeping on the electric mode mainly prevents the car from sliding. Once the gas engine kicks in, the car starts to slide no matter what speed you're in. So that's the benefit of this hybrid right now. Because I've been asking people and they've been slipping and sliding, going like 7 miles an hour, and I've been going 15, 20 with this hybrid. Like right now the engine kicked in and the car's trying to slide. So I try to cut it off. It just cut off. You see, I let go of the gas, and it cuts the gas engine off, and it stays on electric mode. There's a lot of snow in front of me, and I'm just plowing through it at 20 miles an hour. I'm literally going 20, like nothing. I'm not slipping or nothing. It's because of the electric motor. But if I were to kick in the gas, it starts slipping immediately. So yeah, this hybrid electric motor thing is really, really good. You just gotta watch your battery; it doesn't drain. But other than that, it's really, really good. Like I'm trying to keep it on electric now to turn this corner, and then it turns in easily and smoothly with no problem. The snowstorm is really bad right now. Like I said, said, there's people getting stuck. There's barely cars outside because of that. But I'm having no issues with this hybrid shit. Like it's really good. My man's been stuck here for a minute. Look, you see what I'm talking about? And then I got the hybrid. I'm gonna pull to the side with all the snow, like nothing. And look, he's still stuck, and I'm just cruising around him. Later, dude. That's the good thing about having a hybrid. And my wheel's not spinning, sliding left to right. It's just, I'm going literally 15, 18 miles an hour now. Like nothing. So, yeah, hybrid is key. Snow's still getting worse. Still having kind of trouble now. Like it's being a little bit hard to get traction on this car. Been having a little fun sliding it here and there. But overall, not a bad car at all. Got through a couple hours with no problem. I've been driving this car like over about 6 hours now. No problem. Well, maybe no, like 7 hours. No problem. Yeah, overall pretty good car. I'm gonna take this corner real quick. You guys can see how the car slides a bit. Get this corner right here. Car slide a bit. See how it takes a little, it struggles a little bit, and then once it catches traction, it just keeps going. My Fusion already done, parked, it don't work. Good to go. Good to go.